it's Emily and welcome to my channel. If you are a new viewer, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Subscribe to my channel because I add new videos every single week. And if you are already a subscriber and you've been following me for a while, thank you so much for your support and the love. I hear so much good feedback from you all and I love it, and I'm glad I can make these videos for you all and you enjoy them. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video, because at the end of this video I am going to be doing a huge announcement that I am so excited about and I want you all to hear it. So make sure you keep watching all the way through to the end. My birthday was January 1st, and for my birthday my parents gave me birthday money. Who doesn't love that? And so with my birthday money I bought clothes, of course. So my last haul video was a dressy haul, and I had some people ask for more casual clothes, and I noticed on my Instagram page that a lot of you all wanted some more casual looks. So I have some more casual clothes that I'm going to be showing you in this haul today. First off, I'm wearing this shirt from Dainty Jewells and I absolutely love it. It's got this cute bow on it, and this was not a part of my birthday money. I was going to add it into it because I got it like right before I got all these clothes, and it's a nice casual shirt that I wanted to show you all. So this comes in this burgundy color, and you can also get it in navy. And it's really cute and it goes really good with anything. With the bow, just makes it extra dressy and cute. First thing I'm going to show you is this cute shirt. I bought this shirt from Kohl's. The brand is Cloud Chaser if you want to look it up. I got this pretty blue color because I like wearing blue, and every time I wear blue people say that my eyes pop out. So I got it in the blue, but they had this in 4 different colors besides this. So it comes in like 4 different patterns, and like each one of the patterns is floral, but it's not the exact same as this one. So like there's this exact same shirt in 5 different colors with different patterns. They're all really cute. I had a hard time deciding which one that I wanted to get, and I even thought about going back on Kohl's and getting one in a different pattern because I like this shirt so much. And so this is a 3/4 length shirt. So I went ahead and got a 3/4 length shirt because we've already been having some warmer days here in Arkansas, and so I'm already thinking about spring. So I wanted to go ahead and get a 3/4 length shirt, and I figured I could still wear it now, and if I was cold I can just put a jacket over top of it. So this is really cute, and I got this at Kohl's. I was going to mention with that shirt, in my fall shoe video that I did, I was wearing this shirt and I told you all I was going to do a video of more casual clothes. What happened was I left this shirt in Louisville at my parents' house when I went home when my grandma passed away, and I left it there and I didn't get it back until Christmas. Then when I came home from Christmas I really didn't have any other outfits to do with this shirt, so I never ended up recording it because nobody wants to see a whole video on one shirt. But this is also the Cloud Chaser brand, and I got it from Kohl's, but they no longer carry this shirt online anymore. This was in the fall when I did buy this, and now it's winter time. Apparently they got rid of these shirts and added these shirts. This Cloud Chaser brand must be a new brand for Kohl's, and they have some really cute shirts. I'm just gonna keep checking back at Kohl's and see when they get new shirts in, because they're really cute 3/4 length shirts that you can just wear casual, and I really like them. Also from Kohl's I got this gray shirt, and it's just a solid bell sleeve shirt, and I think it was on clearance for like $9. And I got the gray because I ordered this skirt to go with it. I ordered a light pink skirt and I don't have it in here. Hold on, let me go get it. Okay, I'm back. So I ordered this light pink skirt from H&M, and as you can see it's a wrap skirt and it's really cute. And I had bought this gray shirt from Kohl's to go with this pink skirt, and I was really excited because I was going to have me a gray and light pink outfit. But the only problem is it's more of the wrap. I have some other wrap style skirts that I don't have to wear like slip extenders under, and they're fine. They're totally modest. But this one was too short in the front that I couldn't just wear it just like this. I was going to have to wear like a slip extender under it, and I don't have a slip extender. So I already sold this skirt online, and I'm actually going to put it in the mail today. I had bought this shirt to go with it. I'm sure I can find something else to wear it with. And also they have these on Kohl's if you want to go. They have like several different colors, and they're just these solid bell sleeve shirts. So these would be really good to just like go with any kind of like patterned skirt that you find, and you just need a shirt to go with it. These are really nice. And also from H&M, I got this shirt. It is white with black stripes, and I love this shirt because it is plain and casual, but yet it's got these little ruffles on the sleeves that just give it that extra little feminine touch. I'm not sure yet what kind of skirt I'm going to wear with this yet. I'd like to wear it with a floral skirt and see how that would look. I think it would look really cute, but I haven't decided yet if I'm going to get a floral skirt to go with it or not. But anyways, a lot of these are shirts, and I don't have skirts to go with them yet. I have one skirt coming in the mail for one of these. If you follow me on Instagram, I will link my Instagram down below in the description. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see how I'm going to style these shirts and what shoes I'm going to put these with. And so you can see the full look if you follow me on Instagram, because I've started doing fashion vlogging on my Instagram account. And then next, I went to J. Crew and I got some really cute shirts. So I've got a lot of stripes. I've noticed that. I'm wearing this striped shirt, I have this striped shirt, and this one. You can never go wrong with stripes. This is a navy and white striped shirt, and it is also 3/4 length, and I like 3/4 length shirts a lot. I like neutral colors like navy and black and white and gray, because you can just like pair them with anything and you can add colors. So I love this shirt because it's got this ruffle that goes all the way down and at the hem, and it just makes this casual shirt just look extra cute. You'll notice ruffles is a theme in this video. So I got this at J. Crew, and it's super cute. Also from J. Crew, I got this long sleeve shirt, and I got this for the winter time because it's still cold here. I didn't want to get sweaters because I kind of feel like we're at the end of winter, so I wanted to get some stuff that I can start transitioning. But this long sleeve shirt is actually like really thick. This will still be nice when it's cold outside. I can put this on, and it's just a plain shirt, but again, it has that ruffle around the bottom that just adds that extra feminine look that I love. These shirts are just like simple and they're casual. These extra nice little touches looks like you actually tried and you're put together. And my final shirt that I have is also from J. Crew, and it's another long sleeve shirt, and it's just gray, and it's got this white layered look, and these shirts are kind of in style right now, I've noticed, and so I liked these. I think this is really cute, and I have a skirt coming in the mail to go with this. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see how I pair this whole look together. Then finally, this is not a casual thing, but it kind of can be. It's kind of a casual dress. It can be dressy or casual, but I got this super cute black and white striped dress from Olive Drew online, and I love this. This is my first purchase from Olive Drew, and I really like it, and I was really impressed. So I will definitely be ordering more stuff from Olive Drew. But it is a long sleeve shirt, or it's a long sleeve dress. It has pockets on the front, and I think these pockets are just like super cute because they're kind of like, everybody knows you got pockets. They're not just like hiding in the side. And it's got this layered look as well. And on the sides, it's like split so that you can see this layered look, and this is really cute. This is like linen down here at the bottom, and it's kind of like an oatmeal color. It's not white, and the stripes is not really true white either, and I just really like it. I think it looks really cute. I'm going to be getting a picture, doing a photo shoot in this soon, and putting it on my Instagram with my black block shoes that my grandma bought me. And if you watched my fall shoe video, you will see those shoes in there. And finally, we're on to my big announcement. Are you excited? Because I'm excited. Okay, so I just recently started a modest boutique. So the name of the boutique is Tuck and Tilly. So that brings us to our last item, which is this super cute denim skirt. And these are live on Tuck and Tilly website right now. You can go there and purchase these. I found these dark wash denim skirts and I thought they were so cute. And they are like super stretchy. Like, I don't know about you, but I hate the really heavy denim skirts that have no stretch, but these have like a ton of stretch. And I just love these plain denim skirts that look really nice. This is a really nice quality skirt. And you can see in the back, it does have a split if you're not a split person. I don't wear splits personally. I'm gonna sew this up. It is so stretchy that even if you do sew it up, I think you can still walk in it pretty comfortably. I just think this skirt is so cute. So if you love this skirt and you need this skirt, go to Tuck and Tilly and help me out. Please, please, please go follow Tuck and Tilly on Instagram. Go to our website. And I only have one skirt, this skirt right now, but if all these skirts sell out, then I can turn around and buy new inventory and keep growing. And you guys give me suggestions of things that you want to see on the Tuck and Tilly website. If you want to see other jean skirts, if you want longer skirts, if you like the midi skirts, if you want dresses, hats, accessories, whatever you want, just give me a comment down below and tell me what you want to see in Tuck and Tilly. And make sure you go follow Tuck and Tilly on Instagram and Facebook, because I am going to be doing a giveaway very soon. And if you're not following, you're not going to see the giveaway. So make sure you go follow, and we'll be doing a giveaway really soon. I am going to be giving away, I don't know if I'll be giving away one of these denim skirts, but I'm going to be giving away a denim skirt to one lucky follower. So make sure you follow on Instagram so that you can see when we are running that giveaway. So I hope you ladies liked this new clothing haul video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram so you can see how I pair these outfits, how I put the whole outfit together. And follow me on Tuck and Tilly, because I'm hoping to grow this and do great things with this boutique. Have a good day. Bye, ladies.